Finally, after a long 6-month wait since February 2025, the basement of Tangs at Tang Plaza has officially reopened. It's got a fresh new look, but we're here for one specific reason: the Hawkers Street Food Court. We're talking 15 legendary stalls, including 6 Michelin-guide names, all under one air-conditioned roof in the middle of Orchard Road. But is it worth the Orchard price tag and the revamped hype? Let's go find out. First things first, the layout. It's clean and modern, but I've gotta warn you, it's narrow. Even though there's decent seating, the walkways are pretty cramped. If you're carrying a tray of hot soup or messy noodles, keep your eyes peeled so you don't bump into anyone. It's definitely a squeeze and eat type kind of vibe. Our first stop is a legend from Golden Mile Food Centre, 91 Fried Kway Teow Mee. You can smell the wok hei before you even see the stall. We went for the basic signature version. No prawns in this one to keep it simple. It's exactly what you want from a traditional char kway teow. Smoky, savory, and topped with those signature greens and fresh cockles. It's a solid, nostalgic plate of noodles. Next up, we hit Fei Fei Roasted Noodle. They still use charcoal fire to roast their meats, and you can really taste the difference. The char siu is the star here, beautifully marbled, tender, and just the right amount of char. Now, the wonton noodles are the thin, springy type. I found them a little clumpy and dry at first, but here's a pro tip. Add a few spoonfuls of the side soup and give it a good mix. It loosens everything up perfectly. The portion is average, but the quality of that meat, top tier. To round off the mains, we tried the Mee Siam from Old Teochew. This place is famous for their satay bee hoon, but the Mee Siam is a heavy hitter too. It comes with bergedil, that delicious deep-fried potato patty, tau pork, and a dollop of sambal. The gravy is thick, aromatic, and has that perfect tangy sweet balance. Again, don't expect a massive portion for what you're paying, but the flavor is definitely there. Let's talk numbers. Since this is a premium air-conditioned spot in Tang Plaza and not a neighborhood hawker center, the prices are a bit on the higher side. You're paying for the convenience and the comfort of eating Michelin-rated food without sweating through your shirt. But wait, don't leave yet. Once you're done with the savory stuff, you have to explore the rest of the basement. There are so many new kiosks, but one caught our eye immediately: the viral 32-layered tissue bread from Tulle. This Korean French pastry is famous for a reason. You're supposed to peel it apart layer by paper thin layer. It's buttery, crunchy on the outside, and super soft inside. While most people like to pull it apart, I found the ultimate way to eat it, dunking it in coffee. It soaks up the brew and becomes this rich, melt-in-your-mouth treat. It's the perfect end to a food crawl. So the new Tangs basement? It's a bit tight and a bit pricey, but the curation of hawker legends is hard to beat, especially when you're in the heart of Orchard. What's your go-to stall at Hawkers Street? Or is there a hidden gem in the Tangs basement I missed? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this food tour, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Singapore food guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy eating! Bye!